Hello everyone. Welcome to the study of Style 3D Atelier. Today, I will explain the collocation and use of resource library. First, let's open Style 3D Atelier. In the resource library, there are garment, avatar, fabric and material, graphic, trim and scene. Next, let's take a look at the content related to garment. Here are some basic cloth. Double-click to open or add. If we need to import other styles, we can open the folder where the clothing resources are located, and then put the clothing materials under this folder. Double-click to add the dress. Next, let's adjust the avatar. Here, you can adjust the avatar's appearance. Double-click to change the appearance. Here, you can adjust the avatar's emotion. Here's the avatar's default face. Here is the avatar's gesture. Next is the hair. Besides these hair, we can also import other hairstyles. Place the required hairstyle material files under this folder and you can double-click to use this curly hair. Next is motion. We can choose suitable motions for the avatar. Here are files related to Nana's real-time rendering. We can also change the avatar's shoes. Double-click to change. Select the shoes, and you can change their color. Let's see the effect from the side. Press the number key 2 to return to the front view. These are the avatar sizes. Finally, you can change the avatar's skin here. Double-click to change the avatar's skin to this one. Next is fabrics and materials. Double-click to add fabric. Here are graphic, double-click to add them as well. Next is trim, like bows, buckets, buttons, cords, etc. Open the bow folder, double-click to open or add a bow. Lastly, there are scene presets. There are many preset scenes available for use. Double-click to load the corresponding scene. Cancel the scene and press the number key 2 to return to the front view. Hide the 3D style to see the effect. That's all for this lesson. Welcome everyone to like and share the video. Please leave your comments below. See you in the next video.